What are the vitamins needed for red blood cell synthesis?
Folic acid, cobalamin.
What is the connection between them?
Both vitamins are involved in synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. In vitamin B12 deficiency, methylated form of tetrahydrofolate isn't efficiently used because it can't be converted to other forms of tetrahydrofolate, so it accumulates and other forms of tetrahydrofolate decrease.
What is the special name given to this connection?
Folate trap hypothesis.
What is the best dietary source of folic acid?
Fresh green leafy vegetables.
Can mammalian cells synthesize folic acid?
No, we can't.
What is the biological active form of folic acid?
Tetrahydrofolate.
What is the action of sulfonamides as antimicrobial agents?
They competitively inhibit the synthesis of folic acid, decreasing the synthesis of critical nucleotides needed for the replication of DNA and RNA of microbes.
Tell me a folic acid analog that is used to treat lymphocytic leukemia.
Methotrexate.
How it acts?
It inhibits dihydrofolate reductase competitively, which catalyzes the folic acid activation reaction.
What are the problems associated with folic acid deficiency?
Growth failure, megaloblastic anemia, neural tube defects in fetus.
Can you remember the dose of folic acid given per day to reduce the risk of having a pregnancy affected by spina bifida?
0.4 milligrams of folic acid per day.
What do you recommend? Consuming that dose after knowing that you are pregnant or before getting pregnant?
Before getting pregnant, all women who are expecting to get pregnant should get that dose.
Why is that?
Because critical folate dependent development occurs in the first weeks of intrauterine life when many women aren't yet aware of their pregnancy.
How megaloblastic anemia occurs?
There is a decreased synthesis of purines and thymidine, so cells are unable to produce DNA. It impairs RNA and protein synthesis of the cell. Mitosis is prolonged and reduced, so these cells are larger than normal cells. In bone marrow, most of the macrocytes are destroyed prior to entering the circulation. Escape macrocytes are destroyed in reticuloendothelial system. Decreased red blood cell count in blood results anemia.
Why megaloblastic anemia should not be treated with folic acid alone?
If megaloblastic anemia occurs also due to vitamin B12 deficiency, folate can reverse the hematological abnormalities and mask vitamin B12 deficiency. Then the persistent vitamin B12 deficiency may proceed to severe neurological dysfunction.
How dietary vitamin B12 is absorbed to body?
It binds to the intrinsic factor in the stomach and make a complex with it. Then the complex passes through gastrointestinal tract and absorbed in the ileum.
What happens in pernicious anemia?
There is an autoimmune destruction of gastric parietal cells that synthesize intrinsic factor. It prevents the absorption of vitamin B12, resulting vitamin B12 deficiency. As vitamin B12 is needed for red blood cell synthesis, now the red blood cell count is decreased, resulting anemia.
Why it takes several years to develop clinical symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency?
Because a significant amount of vitamin B12 is stored in the body.
What is the vitamin that is given routinely to the newborn babies?
Vitamin K.
Why is that?
Because They are primarily deficient with vitamin K, as very little amount of vitamin K is transported across the placenta and their bowel hasn't acquired vitamin K synthesizing bacteria. So, it can lead to hemolytic disease of newborn.
What is the main role of vitamin K?
It is required for the post-translational modification of clotting factors 2, 7, 9 and 10. It is essential for blood clotting.
Tell me another situation that we use vitamin K administrations.
In obstructive jaundice,
Why vitamin K is given in this condition?
the blockage of bile duct decreases the concentration of bile salts in the intestine, which is insufficient for the absorption of vitamin K.
What are the dietary sources of vitamin K?
Cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, egg yolk, liver,